You're watching Open House NYC. When it comes to decorating your home, there's so much to consider. What do you do about lighting? What about color? And then there's the furniture and the accessories. It can be pretty overwhelming. Design expert Libby Langdon just recently completed a townhouse renovation. Now she's sharing inspiring advice to help you revamp your home.
Hi, I'm interior designer Libby Langdon, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of a 5-story townhouse I designed in the West Village. My clients are a fun and fabulous couple, and we wanted to create a space that really showed their personality and was also great for entertaining family and friends. There's a lot to see, so let's get started. Lighting is a great way to add drama to a space, and if you have height, go big. This is clearly the rock star moment in this foyer. The thing about adding dramatic lighting to a space is you want to isolate just one piece to one room. It would be completely overwhelming if you had all these sort of dynamic pieces. So isolate one and let it really shine. This is my favorite room in the entire home. It's got lots of different shades of blue, and I find blue is a color that men and women can both agree on. What we did was we used this fabric that my client loved as the springboard for the overall design and the color scheme. It's got this rich navy, which we've shown on the sofa. It's got a beautiful cornflower blue, which we've infused in accessories, pillows, smaller ottomans, and even the dog bed. So if you're not sure where to start with the design of your space, but there's a fabric that you love, use the colors in that fabric. If it's a piece that you adore, you're guaranteed to love your room. Here we are in the kitchen, and I absolutely adore this space. It's so clean and it's light and bright. My clients chose these fabulous high-gloss white lacquer cabinets. What I really love about them is there's absolutely no hardware. All the lower cabinets open with a touch latch mechanism, and all the upper cabinets have a beautiful eased edge so you can easily open them. It just gives it a very streamlined, sleek, beautiful look. Part of the fun of having 5 stories is you have 5 different hallways you get to decorate. And my client saw this as an opportunity to have some fun pairing wallpaper and artwork. What she did was choose a different wallpaper for each floor and then different artwork to go on top of it. So it's not too overwhelming, but very stylish. In a bedroom, I find that symmetry and balance can have a very calming effect. I love it when there are 2 of the same lamps, 2 of the same nightstands, same artwork. It really creates a peaceful atmosphere. It feels like everything is exactly where it's supposed to be, and it's the perfect spot to rest your head at the end of the day. I hope you got some great design ideas that you can use in your own home. Your only limitation is your imagination.